We have these lyrics right over here on page 41 with the one and only Kai. Kai is sending you peace vibes to knock out these word problems. So let's get started. Kai, I think they got it. What do you think? I know, right? They're so good at this. They're so good at this. So number 1 says Imani used 60 songs to create a playlist. If she dedicated 5 tracks to each of her friends, how many friends does she have? So let's imagine this situation. 60 songs. She wants each of her friends to get the same amount. Each of her friends will receive what? 5 songs. Let's circle the important information. 60 songs and 5 tracks for each of her friends. This indicates that we're going to do division. So in any of our word problems, we want to what? Have a main dish, a side dish, and what? Wash it down with a drink. Main dish, side dish, wash it down with a drink. Main dish, side dish, wash it down with a drink. What does that mean? Math problem, sentence, and drawing. So our math problem in this case is what? 60 divided by 5. And so we're going to set up to solve. And I'm just going to put equals so we can put our answer, which is the quotient, right there. Here we go. We have 60 divided by 5. So we're looking at our answers to our 5 times tables. We're going to jot that down right over here. Check it out. 0 times 5 is 0. 1 times 5 is 5. I'm just going to keep what? Adding 5. And look, I can go back up to the top and keep writing this down until I have a total of 10 numbers. I'm double checking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're ready to begin. Cover up the dividend. Slide over until we see a number bigger than 5. So I'm covering up 60. I slide over. Is 6 bigger than 5? Yes. So we're doing 6 divided by 5. How many groups of 5 can we get out of 6? Go down our list. Do not pass 6. We would stop right here. How many groups of 5 is that? 0 group, 1 group. There we go. Divide. Put the number at the top. We're going to put 1 at the top. Multiply. 1 times 5. We're putting the answer where we stop. 5 at the bottom. Subtract. 6 minus 5 gives us 1. Bring down our 0. And then I'm going to do it again. Go down your list. Do not pass 10. We will stop right here at 10. How many groups of 5 is that? Divide. Put the number at the top. 0 groups, 1 group, 2 groups give us 10. Check this out. 2 groups give us 10. Divide. Put the number at the top. Multiply. Put the number at the bottom. The number of groups was 2. The number we stopped at is 10. 10 minus 10 gives us 0. We have nothing to bring down, so we have our answer. 12. Do we have a fraction if that remainder is 0? No, and actually in this scenario, that would be extremely weird if we had a fraction. Because in this case, we have friends we're talking about. We couldn't have like 12 and 1/5 of a friend. That would be so weird. How do you take a friend, split the friend into 5 equal parts, and only take 1 of the 5 parts for your friend? It's not possible when we're talking about people. So in this case, we're just talking about this number up top, which is 12. So 60 divided by 5 gives us 12. Here we go. We need a sentence. How many friends does she have? Let's start with the person we're talking about. Imani, write this down, has 12 friends. Period. I like it. So notice here we have our main dish, side dish, right? Wash it down with a drink. Main dish, side dish, wash it down with a drink. That's our math problem. 60 divided by 5 equals 12, right? Side dish is our sentence. Imani has 12 friends. And for our drawing, we're going to use our procedural explanation. So we have everything we need to show our work for our word problem. jot this down, make sure you have this information. We're going to move on to number 2. See what else is going on. You know what? I think one of her friends would definitely be Kai. So can you imagine Kai's reaction? She gets 5 songs dedicated. Oh my gosh, Imani. These are the songs that you think of when you think of me. I so appreciate it. BFF forever. BFF forever. Right? It's the color purple thing right here. All right, we're going to move on to number 2. During the school year,